Welcome back to Toy Time! Today, the puppies from Paw Patrol will be opening lots of presents. Are you guys ready to see what has been on the puppies' wish list? Wow, they have so many presents and they're very happy that the holiday season is right around the corner. Okay, so Marshall, what did you ask this holiday season? Let's see the presents underneath the tree. Are you guys ready to open fun presents? Yes, I am, said Ryder. Alright, so let's go ahead and start opening some of the presents underneath the tree. Ready, Rocky? Okay, so Zuma will be the first one. Let's see, Zuma, which one is your present? How about this one? Yes, that's it. It says Zuma right here. So let's go ahead and open this cute little present that Zuma has. Are you guys ready to see? Oh, look, he got a little fish. Who is that? Is that Flounder from the movie The Little Mermaid? Awesome, Zuma. That's so cute. Thank you. I love my present. Alright, so who's next? Let's see. How about Everest? Everest, are you ready to open your present? And here it is. Are you guys ready? This present says Everest and it's her cool present from her wish list. Let's see what she wanted. It's going to be a nice, wait a minute, it's very difficult to open. Here it is, a cute little penguin. It's a stuffed animal. Wow, that is so cute. I always loved little penguins. Thank you. No problem, you're very welcome, Everest. Enjoy. Oh, I'm so happy. Alright, next one will be Chase. Are you ready, Chase? Okay, which one is your present? You have to find the present that has your name on it. Alright, I found it. It's right here. Okay, so let's open. What could it be? What could it be, Chase? Let's see and let's show everybody what will be your present. Are you guys ready? So let's see. Okay, we're ripping all the wrapping here. The wrapping paper is so difficult to open, but we got it. And look, Chase, you got a new basketball. Now you could go play basketball with all of your friends. Isn't that cool? I love it. I'm so happy. I love to play basketball. Do you guys like to play basketball? Cool. Alright, so I have to do a basketball video for all of you guys. And you guys, please leave us a comment and let us know what you think of this video. We're posting this video live. So on the first time that we post the video, we also watch the video with you guys. So send us a question or any comment that you want. And then on the following times that the video play on YouTube, then we're no longer watching live. But the very first time we post this video, we are watching it live with you guys in case if you guys have any questions or comments for us. Now let's see what is on Robo Dog's holiday wish list. This is his present. It's a big box. I wonder what's in here. Robo Dog, are you ready? So here we go. We just opened your present and you got a teddy bear. Isn't it adorable? I love the teddy bear. Okay, Robo Dog, it's very cute. So here you go. Enjoy your present. It's very adorable and very fluffy. Thank you, everybody. You're very welcome, Robo Dog. I'm gonna put your teddy bear right here on the table. Oh no, the hot cocoa fell. Let's put it back. Alright, so Rocky will be the next one to open his present. Yay, I'm so happy. I wonder if I'm gonna get what was on my wish list. Alright, so I see a present right here that has my name. It says Rocky on the tag. And can you help me open? Of course, Rocky. So here it is. I'm opening your present. And let's see. You got a penguin. Is that what you wanted? Yes, I am so happy. I really wanted this penguin. This penguin talks and repeats every sentence that I say. You guys want to see? Hey, I am Mr. Penguin.
Hey, I'm Mr. Penguin.
That's so cool, Rocky. I love the toy that you got. Oh, wow. You could play with it also, Everest. all of you guys can share my present and my toy. Oh, it's great when you guys play together. Thank you, guys. Alright, so let's see who will be next. How about Marshall? Great idea, right, guys? Yay, great idea, great idea. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't want to trip on the present. You know I'm a little clumsy, but I already see which one has my name on it. Look, this tag here says Marshall, so this must be my present. Can you help me open? Of course I can, so here we go. Let's open Marshall's present. I wonder what's inside this box. That's so cool, Marshall. And look, you got a soccer ball. Wow, I love to play soccer. Guys, we could go outside and play soccer later after everybody opens their present. Great idea. And Chase wants to play basketball too. Alright, I'm gonna put my present right here, close with Chase's present. Alright, so now let's see who's gonna be next. How about Skye? Skye, you will be next. Let's see what you're gonna get for the holiday present swap. Alright, so let's see. What was on your wish list? I don't know. I had so many things on my wish list, but I will be very happy. It doesn't matter what I get. Oh, Skye, you were so adorable. Okay, so let's open this present here. Ooh, it's so difficult to open, but we got it. Look how pretty, you got a nice clock. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna put it in my bedroom to decorate the wall. Wow, thank you guys. This is exactly what I wanted. That's my big item. This is like a clock from Cinderella. It is very pretty, Skye. I will help you put this clock on the wall. Okay? Alright, thanks, Ryder. Alright, so let's see. We have another present here and another present there. Okay, this is a polka dot present. And what's in this present? Let's see. This one is for Ryder. Let's open. Okay, Ryder, I'm gonna help you open your present. Are you ready? Oh, it's so difficult to unbox this present, but we did it, and here it is. Look at this beautiful trophy that you got. You were number 1. You were the best dog owner in Adventure Bay because you are the best dog owner from all the Paw Patrol. They all adore you and love you because you're so good. Oh, wow, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking such good care of us. Oh, you're welcome. I also love my puppies. You guys always help me on all the rescue mission. Wait, guys, we're missing one more person. Where is Rubble? I think Rubble slept late today. He's so tired from eating all the food last night and also playing all the games we played. Yes, that's right. The feast was very good. I think I overslept. I ate too much turkey. Okay, is that my present? Yes, it is. Here you go. It has your name on the tag. Oh, I want to open my present. Thank you, guys. Wow, everybody already opened all their presents. Oh, everything looks awesome. I wonder what I'm going to get. I wonder if it's something on my wish list, but I know I will have lots of fun. It doesn't matter what I get, because all the presents that I get will be awesome. Alright, so let's open your present. Are you ready? Okay, Rubble, let's see what you got. Let's keep opening. Wow, you got a big item, Rubble. You got a computer. Wow, I got the computer. That's so cool. I asked for the computer for all of us to share. I know it's a big item, but we needed a computer here in our house. Now we can watch lots of YouTube videos together, and also we can play games and do our homework. That's right. Rubble, can I also watch videos on your computer? Of course, everybody can watch video on Rubble's computer, and also Rubble can play with our toys. We're gonna share all the toys, right, guys? That's a great idea. Now we have so many toys, and the holiday season was lots of fun. Alright, guys, I hope you guys also have an awesome holiday season. Let us know what you think of our videos, and let us know how you like the toys that we got. We are very happy, and we're very happy that you guys are new subscribers to our channel. Let us know if you subscribe to our channel. Alright, I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thanks for watching. Toy Toy Time!